Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Turning on 4K on your Samsung TV is pretty simple, but there are a few settings you might need to check to make sure you're getting the best 4K quality. Here's a step-by-step guide. So let's begin. How to enable 4K on your Samsung TV. The first step is make sure your TV supports 4K. This is the most important thing that you need to inquire about. Most Samsung TVs from 2016 and newer support 4K resolution. Use the correct HDMI port. Look for a port labeled HDMI ARC or HDMI 4K or HDCP 2.2. This supports 4K input. So if you have this HDMI port, then that's mean your device or your TV is 4K supported. Now the third step is turn on UHD color, HDMI UHD color, you can say. This allows the TV to get full 4K HDR quality from external devices. Steps is go to settings, select general, choose external device manager, select HDMI UHD color, turn it on for the HDMI port you're using. Set picture resolution to 4K. If you are watching from a built-in app like Netflix, YouTube, etc., then the steps is open the app, then go to settings inside the app, then select video quality or streaming quality. Choose 4K or Ultra HD. Now, step 5 is check TV resolution output. Some TVs allows you to adjust resolution manually. Here is the steps. First, go to settings, then select picture, then choose picture size settings, then set picture size to 16 to 9 standard, then set resolution to auto. This allows 4K when available. Now, the sixth step is enable game mode, optional for 4K gaming. For that, you just need to go to settings, then go to general. After that, you will find external device manager in somewhere. You just need to click on that, then game mode, then turn it on by switching the tab on. Extra tips, here is some extra tips. Use a high-speed HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 cable. Ensure your source device, PS5, Xbox, 4K Blu-ray, streaming stick is anything, it could be anything, is outputting in 4K. Update your TV software, then you just need to go to settings, then support, then you have to go to the software update, then update now. That's how you can just easily enable 4K on the Samsung TV. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.